The Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe (RBZ) is considering the introduction of higher denomination zig notes to facilitate smoother cash transactions. Sana kuna mashoko atonoti aiwa RBZ yauya ichishoka vanhu nechimwe chinyowani gore rinoti changotanga zvaro tisati tambosvika kunyangwe pakati pemwedzi chaiwo vakuda kutokunza mamwe mahigher denominations ezig. Subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tichipinda panapa mpindula mudanyo rachiti RBZ governor John Mishavano told the Sunday Mail that the volume of the new notes set will be drip-fed into the market to align with projected economic activity, ensuring market stability, said Mishavano. Plans to introduce higher denominations are underway, and the amount introduced will be optimal and consistent with the envisaged economic activity. Going forward, the Reserve Bank expects to progressively increase the proportion of cash to total deposits to 5%, which is close to countries with similar economic structures in the region. Given the current money market position, the Reserve Bank is committed to maintaining the volume of the zig and implementing measures that will preserve its transactional and store of value functions and support the de-dollarization journey. Tomashoko atkonot avarutra machendra mberi nekuda kude-dollarize kubvisa aiwa ma-US dollars vachiti vadoshandisa the current currency zig. Panguva ino yatiri kuti kuisa mahigher denominations vanhu vanozwa ma-consequences azvo nekuti it's not the first time. Ma-prices anotanga kukwira, ma-exchange rates haatombomiri zvawo zvatinotozongodzokera zvekare ku-the bond note. Mashoko ari kuya achibuda panapa tichiona kuti vanhu munyika yeZimbabwe panguva ino they are now tired. Ngotidzai mafunguro enyu notikudivi pamusoro pekuprintiwa kwakuitwa mamwe maZIG. Enda comment section mufunguro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.